Let me ask you something. Right now, looking at your salary, do you honestly believe you can become a millionaire? Most people say no. Most people laugh at that idea. And that's exactly why most people stay broke their entire lives. But today, I'm going to prove to you that your salary is not the problem. Your thinking is. I've seen people earning barely enough to survive, who went on to build serious wealth. And I've seen people with high-paying jobs who died with nothing. So if you're ready to hear something that could genuinely change your financial future, stay right here. Because the next few minutes, they might be the most important minutes of your week. What's up, guys? I'm Nix. And on this channel, we don't talk about get-rich-quick schemes. We don't sell you dreams. We talk about real strategies, real mindset shifts, and real steps that real people can use to build real wealth, no matter where they're starting from. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we drop content that your bank account actually needs. And if you've been here before, you already know what we're about. So let's stop wasting time and get straight into it. Because today's video, this one, it's different. The first thing you need to understand is this. Becoming a millionaire starts in your mind, not your bank account. Most low-salary people think, I'll start saving when I earn more. But rich people think, I'll build wealth with whatever I have right now. The mindset shift is simple. Stop thinking like a spender and start thinking like an investor. Every rupee, every dollar you earn, ask yourself, is this working for me or against me? Now, this next point sounds boring, I know, but listen carefully. The formula for wealth is not high income equals rich. The real formula is income minus expenses equals wealth. You can earn $200,000 a month and still be broke. And you can earn $50,000 a month and still become a millionaire. The secret is to live below your means. Cut unnecessary expenses. No, I'm not saying stop enjoying life. I'm saying audit your spending. Find the leaks. Fix them. Here's a simple budgeting rule that works, and Nick swears by this. Give 50% of your income to your needs like rent, food, and bills. Give 30% to your wants like entertainment and eating out. And put 20% straight into savings and investments. Even on a low salary, if you follow this rule consistently, you will build wealth. It's mathematics. It's not magic. Now here's where the magic actually happens. Compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And he was right. If you invest just a small amount every single month, starting today, in 20 to 30 years, that money grows into something massive. You don't need to invest a huge amount. You need to invest consistently. Even 5,000 rupees a month, invested wisely, can turn into millions over time. The key word is start now, not tomorrow, not when you get a raise. Now, millionaires don't rely on one income. They have multiple streams. On a low salary, you can still build extra income through freelancing, selling a skill online, starting a small side business, creating content, or renting something you own. Your job is your foundation, but your side income, that's your rocket fuel. The best investment you will ever make is in yourself. Learn new skills, read books, take courses, improve your value in the market. Because when your skills go up, your income goes up. And when your income goes up, your wealth building accelerates. Spend at least 30 minutes every day learning something that can make you more money in the future. I'll be honest with you. This is not a get-rich-quick video. Becoming a millionaire on a low salary takes time. It takes discipline. It takes patience. But here's the truth. Most people give up before they see results. Don't be most people. Stay consistent. Trust the process. And one day, you'll look at your account and realize it worked. So guys, to summarize, and Nix really wants you to remember these points. Change your mindset. Spend less than you earn. Follow the 50/30/20 rule. Invest early and consistently. Build multiple income streams. Invest in yourself. And stay patient and consistent. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And comment below, what's your biggest money challenge right now? This is Nix, signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and keep building.